Hey guys, I'm Angela Braniff. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little makeover in this backyard area. So we are doing a makeover of our entire backyard. We're not done with the whole backyard, but today I just wanted to show you this patio outdoor living area. We have this pergola, we had a cement pad poured, and what I'm going to do in today's video is share with you over the course of a few days how I pressure washed the patio to prepare it. I sealed it, I cleaned the furniture, actually repainted and put on a water sealing coat on our table and outdoor furniture as well to make that a little bit more water resistant. Today I'm going to show you guys the process, a little before and after, and hopefully it will inspire y'all if your backyard is in need of a little TLC and your little outdoor living areas need some sprucing up. Hopefully today's video will inspire you to get started on that project. I absolutely love this outdoor area now, and just being able to sit out here and sip on a glass of wine or a cup of coffee in the morning. So nice, love it so much. If you like videos like these, like I said, we have the whole backyard makeover as well as stuff we're doing in the front. We've got things going on in the house that we're going to be sharing. I've got my office renovation. If you like that type of content, there's going to be more of that to come, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, so here is the before area that we are working with. We've got our picnic table here, and then this is going to be the sitting area. We're going to move the grills out of here and everything. But as you can see, we had this cement pad laid a few months ago, and it's already gotten quite dirty. And over here, this is the old one that's been here since we moved in, and you can see just how dirty and gross this one is. This is just an example. That is what I tested with the pressure washer. These little spots, that's the spot I pressure washed, and that. Quite satisfying if I do say so myself. So we're going to empty all this stuff out of here. I am going to pressure wash, and then I'm going to seal it, and I'll show you guys the products I'm going to use. Look under there. Oh, that's gonna look so good when it's all done. And then we'll get everything put back on here, and yeah.
Here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go through, I'll be fine as long as I'm with you. Heaven knows, running round the world with you. When you smile, I smile too. How I ever made it without you, heaven knows.
right, next up, I'm gonna use this clean and etch product. It's gonna wet the surface of the ground, and then I'm gonna spray this on and scrub it with my brush and get the surface all ready for the sealant that goes on next. It's day 2. The, what is this called? Cement pad has dried after its etching and cleaning yesterday. And so today we put this on. This is the concrete sealer. It's just a gray color, just like concrete. So the plan, I'm just gonna roll it on like paint. We'll see if it's basically how you're supposed to do it. It says it dries in 2 hours, so hopefully I can get this on. Christopher's going golfing, so hopefully I can get this on and then it can dry while he's gone golfing, and then when he gets back we can get back into the yard and finish doing some other projects.
It was a morning in June when I heard that tune falling up to the beat of your heart. Like a white crane sails from a startled trail, our eyes met and then landed so well. Oh, before you could speak, before you could weep, I held your hand in mine. Like a shell on a beach, waiting for your reach, falling up to the mountain to climb. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go.
All right, day 3, final day, getting things put back together. Got the macrame swing hung. My ferns. Getting there. Getting there, getting there. All right, so back here behind the sofa, this is obviously just dirt. Lots of it. So I was thinking initially that I was going to plant something very viney that would sort of grow up over the top. But I've decided for simplicity's sake in getting this project done, I'm not going to do that yet. Eventually, if we decide we're going to stay in this house, then I will. But for now, I am going to put mulch back here, just some of the mulch that we're using out there in the playhouse. And then I got some of these, some of this cedar lawn edging to go behind back there, just so that it looks nice and it looks like it's sort of edged off. And then we'll have that red mulch is what I'll fill in with it, and that should make that section look nice. This over here is not going to get done during this phase of the project because we're potentially having like a platform built so that there's a place for the grills to go, and like an overhang built, and then a platform so that my husband's 2 big grills, his Blackstone flat top grill, and then he's got a smoker and all of that, so that can all have its own like platform and living area over there. I might end up using some of that cedar edging over here, getting a little bit more of that and filling this in with mulch as well. We will just have to see. I'm not sure that will get done in this phase of the project. I'm just focusing on this area, which is still a mess right now.
My hand in the jar. in the middle of June, falling up to the pole of the tide. Oh, I've seen it before, nothing I've ever been told can touch this feeling inside. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature.
All right, well, I was really hoping to film this when the light was all pretty and sunset and everything, but as it were, a thunderstorm is rolling in. So I'm just going to try to film really quickly the final reveal of the deck and eating area. Obviously there's still much to do, so come back if you want to see the full backyard reveal. But got our little hanging plants. I absolutely love the finish on this. It's so nice and it's totally sprayable. You can already see, obviously there's like some little muddy footprints and stuff. I need to spray it down with water, but I don't have time to do that right now. Got the cushions all clean using the pressure washer, getting all that. Oh, that's gonna drive somebody crazy, I'm sure. Haha. So got the cushions all clean, got my citronella plant over there to repel mosquitoes. These actually go in planters up on the deck, but I haven't had a chance to do that yet, so I just set them right there for now. This is a beautiful swing that I got from an Instagram shop, so I will leave that link down below. I love it. I think it actually holds up to like 180 pounds, but it's really just for the twins and Benji. Got some lemongrass planted here because, again, repels mosquitoes, but this is not looking so hot, so I'm hoping I can get that back to life and grow and revive and become a full plant there. We shall see. But yes, I will leave what I can linked down below in terms of the furniture and stuff like that, because I'm sure somebody will ask. But this is mostly from World Market. Can't remember these. I'll have to look up where the black chairs are from. Like I said, we've still got more to do with the grill situation over here, and then we have repainted the deck, and we've got to do the gazebo up there, so that'll be in a forthcoming video. All these guys are lined up here because some of them go up on our deck, and then once I kind of decide that, I'm probably going to put one in that corner there and maybe one right there. We shall see. But I love how this turned out back here. It looks so much better just with a little bit of mulch and that cedar edging. So much better behind there. Eventually I would maybe do something here with some climbing plants and stuff, to like viney things to grow over the back there. I've also thought about hanging curtains, just so there's some pretty curtains there. I don't know, but for right now it feels so much more functional and usable, and everything is here protected under this for the purposes of hanging out, and the sofa's not getting all wet and everything. I love that. This table is also part of that same set from World Market. There is another chair that goes here, but I'm currently using it to help. I pressure washed the rug from our bedroom, so I'm using it to help hold that out while that dries, and now it's gonna rain and my rug's gonna get wet, so that's awesome. But I love this. I added that Thompson's water seal to it, and now water just wicks right off of it, which is fantastic. I also pressure washed the umbrella to get all the kind of green, mildewy mold off the top. So it is fresh and good as new. So, oh, I can hear that thunder. Here come the raindrops. That is it though for the back porch area makeover. I'm super, super pleased with it. Love it so much. All right guys, that is it. I hope you like our little mini backyard makeover, just this little portion. Like I said, full backyard makeover video. I'm still working on that. My husband's over there laying mulch right now around the playhouse. So we're still working on getting all of that project itself actually done. And then there'll be a video for that full project as well. So be sure to subscribe if you've not already, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.
There's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines, in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand